Hello guys, today I will explain you C function pointers. C function pointers are very important feature in C language and they are used very frequently in embedded system programming. When you are working with microcontrollers, you will often see the function pointer usages, and sometimes I found that many people have found it difficult to work with the C function pointers. So I have an Eclipse project and I will create a simple C project. I will name it function pointer, and I will use the Cygwin GC compiler. I have installed the Cygwin GC compiler on my Windows machine. Finish. And here I will rename the file to the main. Okay, so I will explain you that how you can define a function pointer and how you can use in your program with an example. So let me create the files for the program. So I have created two files. They are named addition.c and addition.h. So what they do, they take two numbers and add them, and then they call a function pointer to give the result back. So here you can see how I define a function pointer. So you use the type def. This is the return type of the function pointer, name, and the parameters you will pass to the function pointer. Here I have created a function that will register the function pointer, and then there is a function that will add the two numbers, and this will call this function pointer, and it will give the result of the addition in a function pointer. So here I am going to write the implementation of the function pointer. So function, I will just name it add function addition result. So here you see I have created a function called addition result. I will name it to addition result callback. So this will get the addition result of the addition and the number that we have added. So first of all, I will include the header for the addition.h. Now I will register the function callback. So I will choose the register addition callback. So this is how you register your callback function. So you have to pass the name of the function and then it will be registered with this function pointer, and then I will call the function. Let me see what was the name of the function. Oh, add numbers. Okay, add numbers and A and B. Let's compile it. So it's compiled. Let me run the project. So here you see the output of the addition. So it says that sum of 10 and 15 is equal to 25. So main point is this function add number. It has called this function pointer which is referring to this function, and here it shows the result of these numbers. So this function pointer, it exactly gives the parameters to this function, and these parameters we have used to output our result. So here you can see it's a very simple example. So this example shows that you have a small library that performs the addition of two numbers, and you want to take the result from the library. So for that we have used the function pointer. And yeah, this is very simple example. I think you enjoyed this example. If you have comments or suggestions, you are really most welcome. And have fun by learning. Thank you very much. See you next time.